Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Afsara 24/7. My name is Niharika Walia Bhatnagar, and I'm with you with the area of accounting and financial management for bankers. Acha, before I proceed further, everyone, I hope you know the examination registration has just started. So if you haven't registered yourself yet, then hurry up. It has just started from today itself. You should register yourself as early as possible due to one strong reason. I'm sorry. So the basic reason is if you go for it right away, at least you will not have to worry about your examination center. You will not have to worry about your examination slot, right? And early registration matlab better examination center, slot of your choice, and even if you face any glitches, that can be served well during the day itself because it has just started. So you have from 5th of March to 27th of March to fill up the form. So if you haven't done it yet, then I believe find that particular time where you feel the minimum number of walk-ins is there on the particular website so that you face lesser number of problems. And once you have registered yourself, then look forward towards hardcore preparation because now the days are counted. है ना? It is March going on. It is 5th of March right now, and you have your examination starting from 25th of May. The days are extremely counted, and you have a very, very limited time to look forward to. So kindly go ahead and check it out on our website or in our app for further details. You'll find the details in the app itself. Along with this, you can find the details on the IIBF website as well. First of all, go through the guidelines of the examination, how to apply and all those basic details, and keep your payment system handy so that once your entire form is filled, you don't have to run away here and there. Your real-time error should not come in regarding the payments and all, right? Along with this, for this examination now become very serious because I hope you have seen the date sheet as well. 25th and 26th back to back, PPB as well as IE and FS is there, and then you have our examination of AFM. So I believe it is very, very important that we are looking forward towards this examination in the most sorted manner, है ना? Acha, then next point, I hope if you're looking forward to our courses, then you have reviewed our courses already, and if you haven't, then you should definitely go ahead. Why? Because at this point of time, our sale is live. Sale is live matlab you can find our courses at a very less price. All you need to do is you need to go on to our website, right? And you just have to use the code Y541 and you will get a discount of 81% right away. Why 81%? Because 80% is there, and if you download the app right away, you will get 1% extra. That particular benefit is available exclusively during this period, as we know the registration has started and you might be looking forward towards your examination. And if you haven't enrolled, then you're looking forward towards courses as well. So I believe once you're looking forward to it, you should check out our courses there. And just a moment, showing it to you right away. Okay. Let me show you where to go exactly. This is our this is the specific thing that is coming up at this point of time. The registration has started. On the eve of registration, we have started with this specific area. 80% discount flat is available, along with 1% discount extra is available on our courses there. So you get 81% discount, and you need to use the code Y541 and you will get double validity on the Mahapack as well. You buy it for 6 months, you get it for 12, and along with this 81% is already available on all the courses. 81% discount is available if you download the app as well. So kindly check it out on our website and our app for further details. Okay, and at the same time, all the very best everyone. The timing, or I would say the counted days are left. You should really work hard on achieving your goals now, right? Okay. Starting with the practice questions further. Everyone, please share this particular session among your peers and don't forget to like the particular class, as well as go ahead and subscribe our channel as well. Here comes the first question, everyone. This is a question related to the accounting standards. The main objective of the accounting standards is, why do we look forward towards accounting standards, everyone? There's a strong reason why we look forward towards accounting standards. These accounting standards have played a very important role, right? When we talk about the accounting standards, they made the things more, I would say they made the things more systematic, right? They not only made the particular thing more systematic, it has also made it better for the understanding of this entire topics as well, because whenever you are studying, you understand that there are certain standards which has been set, right? At the same time, not only the standards have been set, we can also understand that there are certain rules and norms which are prepared. So to prepare the accounting reports, which is easily understood by the common man, to comply with the legal formalities, to harmonize the diversified accounting practices, or to comply with the requirements of the international accounting standards. What's going to be the answer? See, accounting standards weren't really made to make sure that we are working as per the accounting standards. Was it? Was it a legal formality? No, it wasn't really a legal formality. Uh, to prepare the accounting reports, nahi. This is the basic work of bookkeeping. To harmonize the diversified accounting practices, that can be the point. But the point is, India was actually forced to maintain their books of accounts as per accounting international financial reporting standards. There were financial reporting standards which were made, and they had to follow the accounting standards as well. If they would have faced any specific problem there, they would have faced a lot of issues further, है ना? So technically it is done to comply with the requirements of international accounting standards, that is IAS. They are also known as International Financial Reporting Standards and Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Done, everyone? Okay, moving on to the next point. Acha. We have four different concepts: materiality, going concern, historical concept, and consistency concept. The same accounting method used by a firm from one period to another, an inappropriate assumption of firm being bankrupt, a normal basis used for accounting assets, or relates to the importance of an item or an event. See, materiality concept means something which is really very important, है ना? And when we talk about going concern concept, the going concern concept says men may come and men may go, but we strongly believe that the organization is here to stay, है ना? That's one of the basic things that the organization strongly believes in. That is why it can look forward towards its work, na? Why would someone really look at working and all? Because if you feel the organization can die at any point of time, why would you even look forward towards the work altogether? You'll be scared about the organization and its survival all the time. So going concern clearly and positively believes कि नहीं, the organization is here to stay, it is going to be there. So that's the most important topic. And that's actually the crux, right? Okay. Now let's move on to the next point. Materiality concept, historical cost concept talks about the history. That means if we talk about the historical cost concept, it talks about the history of the organization. History means we are looking at the prices which were at which the things were bought. Consistency concept talks about point number one, point number two. If you are looking forward towards a specific planning system, you were using a particular plan A being continued, then you moved towards B method. There is no problem in changing the method, everyone. The problem is if you change the specific method and you do not remain working in this second method as well. You have to keep on working in the second method with the same uniformity, right? Only and only then it would be considered consistency. So materiality concept is the same accounting concept used for one period to another. This is D. This is actually match the following. I'll go for D for 1, right? Then we have materiality concept. Materiality means a normal basis of accounting. Inappropriate relates to the importance of an item. Materiality always means the item, which is very important to us. So technically D and A done. Then we are left with going concern. Going concern concept says men may come and men may go, but the organization is here to continue. That is, I would say B. This would be wrong if the organization is dying and still saying that we will survive. They cannot. Bankruptcy clearly means they will die. And then comes historical cost concept. Historical cost concept, it is normally the basis on which we record our assets. If I bought my car would be recorded as per the history, whatever price I paid for that. So in this case, the correct answer was 4231. And that is what we have chosen. Here, this one is actually, this one is for 4 and this one is for 2, then this one is for 3 and this one is for 1. So you've got the answers. You've got the answer. Next pointer. Which depreciation method allocates an equal amount of depreciation expense each year of an asset's useful life? Straight line depreciation, double declining balance depreciation, units of production depreciation, or sum of years digits depreciation. Which method of depreciation allocates an equal amount of depreciation expense? An equal amount of depreciation expense is straight line, double declining, units of production, or sum of the year digit. See if the same method of depreciation is being used and at the same time the depreciation cost is also the same. That is an SLM. What is the formula for straight line method? That is, from cost you remove the salvage value divided by the number of years, okay, and multiplied by 100 if you're looking forward towards the percentage. The percentage is also fixed on the basis of fixed on cost. That is fixed on the purchase price, not every year price changing, and it is basically also called fixed installment because the installment does not change. So this method is covered here. Done, everyone? All sorted? Okay. The straight line method is the answer. Straight line depreciation allocates an equal amount of depreciation expense to each year of an asset's useful life. It is calculated by dividing the asset's cost by its useful life. Done, everyone? Everybody done? Let's move on to the next question. Which depreciation method is often used for assets such as vehicles and machinery, where the wear and tear of the assets are directly related to the area of usage? Straight line, double declining, units of production, or sum of the digits? पता है, if I'm using things for commercial purposes, what happens? See, if I buy a car and I'm using it for personal use, you'll always find I'll be using in a very beautiful, elegant, slower manner. Obvious. I will not be very rough and tough in terms of the usage. I will not be using my particular thing in a very harsh and rough manner. I'll be very soft towards it, right? So what is it that we're looking forward to? We will make sure that things are being done in a proper manner, है ना? So in this case, the uh, when we are buying it for commercial purpose, it is used in a rough, tough manner. Every single possible way it would be chosen. So commercial would simply mean it was going to be used in a rough, tough and a rugged manner. So the depreciation will be more in that case, right? And lesser in the other case. So in this case, what's happening? This is called units of production method. This is based upon for how much time we are actually using it. Done? Chali. Now let's move on to the next point. Which of the following is true regarding authorized share capital? What about authorized share capital, everyone? Authorized share capital simply means that that is a form of capital which talks about basic thing. Authorized means the one you have got permission for, right? It represents the total number of shares issued by the company. It represents the maximum number of shares it is legally allowed to, or it represents the total market value of all outstanding shares. It represents a portion of share capital owned by the investors. Then what's going to be the answer? In this case, when we talk about the authorized share capital, authorized is basically the one we get permission for. So technically, it represents the maximum number of shares we have got. Acha, pata even the permission is taken and you have to pay to the ROC and you have to take permission. There's a specific form that you fill up and on the basis of that, you get the specific area. Okay? So technically, you get the permissions to look forward towards the specific uh, increase in capital, and if there's any problem there in further, then you can actually go ahead and have a word with ROC. But before that, what you can do is you can make the changes in your own books of accounts, which is called memorandum of association. Later on, you can look forward towards ROC for changing in the capital clause as well. That means you can increase your authorized capital, you can increase your subscribed as well as the other part of capital as well. And this practice is still going on. Okay, so before I end the session, everyone, I hope you already know our sale is live. If our sale is live, one of the most important areas you can look forward to is check it out on our website or in our app for further details. Actually, download the app. Best thing is download the app, get 1% discount. All you need to do is go on to the area of JIB and CIB, go on to the area of JIB, CIB, Mahapack, because this is available at the lowest cost at this point of time. Matlab, invest your money in JIB, CIB all together and forget about investing any further, because revision batch, entire JIB, entire CIB, bilingual, English medium, then test series, ebooks, whatever you need, marathons, mahamarathons, everything is included. Not even a single point of this examination is left in this particular area. First of all, utilize the code Y541. As soon as you use the code Y541, you will get a discount of 81%. 80% is there, 1% extra. It will give you 10499. So if you're planning for it, then hurry up and check it out on our website or in our app for further details, everyone. Now, this is your JIB CIB Mahapack. Then, if you're looking forward towards the Mahapack, then you should make it a hurry right away because the sale has started and you should purchase it as early as possible. If you plan only to go for JIB Mahapack, test series are there. 207 ebooks are there. Look at this, all these ebooks are there, and the module wise chapters are also available. So, this will be really helpful if you're planning for this particular exam. Just use the code Y541, everyone. As soon as you will use the code Y541, you will get it for 5,999 and 12 months validity is there. That means perfect timing, 6,000 entire JIB, not even a single penny after this for the next 1 year. Definitely, because it covers each and everything that you might need for your JIB preparation. So go ahead and enroll yourself in our courses. Don't forget to use the code Y541 and get the maximum discount, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye, and all the best for your examination.